In the heart of Meru County, a transformational journey unfolds in the realm of healthcare. Under the visionary leadership of Governor Kawira Mwangaza, the landscape of the health sector is being reshaped one milestone at a time. Join us as we explore the remarkable strides taken to revitalize healthcare in Meru County. Our journey begins at the Meru Blood Transfusion Satellite Center, nestled within the Meru Teaching and Referral Hospital. With a capacity to hold 1,000 units of safe blood, this state-of-the-art facility stands as a beacon of hope, catering to emergency cases and reducing blood loss-related mortalities in Meru and its neighboring counties. The battle against COVID-19 pandemic led to an oxygen crisis. Meru Teaching and Referral Hospital increased its oxygen production by over 85%. Two cutting-edge oxygen plants now generate a staggering 730 liters of life-saving gas per minute. This effort ensures the supply of sufficient oxygen to not only the hospital but also the neighboring counties in dire need.
Tuweza kushukuru Her Excellency at least kwa kuweza kutuletea hii mitungi ya oxygen na kuweza at least kutusaidia kueneza ama kupanua hizi services za dharura ambazo tutakuwa tunapea watu wetu.
A partnership with Philips Africa has propelled Meru Teaching and Referral Hospital to the forefront of intensive care services.
Niko na mgonjwa hapa katika hii hospitali ambaye aliletwa kutoka hospitali ya Kerua. Huko alikosa ICU facility. Tunashukuru Mungu hapa tumepata kitanda ya ICU. Na mgonjwa anaendelea vizuri, amefanyiwa upasuaji ambaye ilifaulu na sasa inaendelea kupata nafuu. Na sisi tukija hapa kila wakati tunapata nafasi ya kumuona, na kila wakati tunakuta madaktari hapa kwa meza yao wanajaa. Kwa hivyo tunashukuru sana ile service tumepata hapa hii General Hospital yetu.
With a world-class ICU unit catering to neonates and pediatric patients, lives are being saved daily. This collaboration not only equipped the facility but also empowered healthcare providers to operate optimally, further elevating the standards of care. From a modest start in 2014, the Meru Teaching and Referral Hospital Renal Unit has evolved into a powerhouse, boasting 11 state-of-the-art dialysis machines. This advanced facility has transformed the lives of over 250 patients who undergo dialysis every month, spanning across counties. With an isolation ward for hepatitis B patients, it stands as a pioneer in comprehensive renal care.
In our unit, we have 11 dialysis machines which are running well, and we have one of them which is isolation. We isolate the patients who have hepatitis, and we do take patients from our neighboring facilities or our neighboring counties, the Tharaka County and Isiolo County, who normally come to us for their routine dialysis. These services, they never used to be in counties before. They used to go to Kenyatta. They used to incur a lot of expenses, but now the quality of life has changed for them. They come here, they dialyze, they go home happy, and we are also happy when we see our patients the way they are, doing well, and they are taking care of their families well.
A new chapter in medical history is written as Meru Teaching and Referral Hospital successfully conducts its first spinal surgeries, making a groundbreaking moment for the medical team.
We've just completed 2 spinal surgeries successfully. This is the first time we are doing these spinal surgeries in this hospital, and this is within our mandate to drive this hospital from a level 5 to a level 6 hospital, and going forward we'll see more special procedures and other special things happening in this hospital as we drive it to a level 6 hospital.
Similarly, a laparoscopic cystectomy procedure and a gasless laparoscopy surgery herald a new era of minimally invasive surgery with faster recovery times and reduced complications. Collaboration and dedication shine as the Meru County Health System expands surgical services. A dedicated operating theatre for children and 5 further ultramodern surgical facilities have been built and operationalized, echoing the commitment to excellence.
We have 2 neo theaters, very spacious, well equipped, Now we are moving to the area of handling specialized surgeries. One theater is dedicated to children in our facility, and we have another room that we wish to dedicate to what we are calling the minimally invasive surgeries. This is going to have a very big impact in this region. As you realize, surgery is a specialized kind of treatment. There are those diseases that we only treat through the surgical procedures. And having this kind of theaters and the hospital growing to a level 6, and you know that this hospital also trains surgeons. So these theaters are going to have a very huge impact in terms of training for the general surgeons, in terms of the kind of surgeries that we are capable of doing, and looking generally at the growth of this hospital in terms of theater, ICU, HDU, dialysis. We are working towards doing even renal transplants in this hospital.
Vyenye ningeshauri hao mama wenzangu wajawazito wasione huku ni hospitali mbaya. Hii hospitali madaktari wanashughulika wote mpaka siku ya mwisho ya kupewa watoto.
The endoscopy suite emerges as a pivotal player in timely cancer diagnosis. A dedicated unit within Meru Teaching and Referral Hospital employs endoscopes to visualize the inner workings of the body, a game changer in the fight against cancer.
As you know and aware of, Meru County has an increased number of cancers that involves the GIT, that is the colon and the stomach. And with this service of offering endoscopy and colonoscopy, we are able to assess and get biopsies, and we are able to send them for histology so that we are able to know whether they are cancers or not cancers, and we are able to manage them at an early stage.
The grand opening of a regional eye unit in the optical shop ushers in a new era of eye care. Through strategic partnerships, the state-of-the-art clinic offers cutting-edge equipment and diagnostic solutions, elevating optical services for the region.
We have an OCT machine and a visual field analyzer. Previously in the entire region, we've been sending our patients that need the back of their eyes checked at Nairobi. But currently we are happy to let them know that we currently are doing the OCT scans at a very affordable price. And so we will be able to diagnose issues like macular holes. We'll be able to notice, or rather be able to diagnose optical disc issues. Like retina, when your retina has issues, basically we are able now to pick from the OCT machine. The visual field analyzer is a machine that is able to pick of example the patients that have glaucoma, of how much glaucoma has affected your visual field. So we'll be able also to be doing that to our patients.
Her Excellency Governor Kawira Mwangaza's promise of accessible healthcare materializes as over 200 million worth of medical supplies reach 230 health facilities. The commitment to a reliable drug access is a cornerstone of improved healthcare delivery. In a move to honor the departed, the Kanyakine mortuary offers dignified preservation. Governor Kawira Mwangaza's swift action has his congestion, while expansion efforts of Meru Teaching Referral Hospital's mortuary further dignifies the preservation of departed loved ones. Our journey concludes with the establishment of the first male ward in Nyambene region, an embodiment of Governor Kawira Mwangaza's unwavering commitment to inclusive healthcare. This milestone not only provides essential services, but also lays the foundation for a future level 4 hospital. As the sun sets on our exploration, the milestones achieved in the Meru County's health sector stands as a testament to visionary leadership, dedication, and progress. The journey continues with each step towards a healthier, thriving community under the steadfast guidance of Her Excellency Governor Kawira Mwangaza.